Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Toro Bravo coming back again with another video. So I copped these 2 Fridays ago on Sneakers app, and this is a women's exclusive. So it's size 6. Pause and read it for yourself. And it reads Women's Air Jordan 12 Retro. It's A06068. The color code 007. The retail price $190. It's a little white box. Voila. Air Jordan 12 Reptiles. So you can see in the front area it's a different texture. Here first, take a look. This kind of texture is different. If you jump three notches, so different kinds of texture. So here you can see this is probably reptile skin, snake skin. This area right here, it looks like it's crocodile. You see clearly. And here you see this is lizard. So you can see my sister already rocked them. Check the outsole. Black pods. The Jumpman here in the front. The carbon fiber here. In the middle, you have the gold Jumpman tab. The gold lace tabs. You got the standard rope laces. Here in the back it has the leather tab. The Jumpman here in gold. It says Jordan here. Quality inspired by the greatest player ever. See that here? The 23 in white here. Let me know what you guys think. That's the other shoe. Same thing. You guys see the texture here. Snake skin here, 3 tabs, and 4 tabs. You see it's crocodile skin, and then here it's lizard texture here. Check the outsole. Yes, my sister already rocked them. So the gold Jumpman here in the tongue. It's a white Jumpman with the black insole. And you can see sock liners leather. So here, this one comes with the QR code. So if you want to know if it's real or fake, scan the barcode here. And it'll should direct you to the Nike website. So there are more sneakers that are coming with that barcode. So stay tuned. So let me know what you guys think. Did you cop or you dropped? Let me know in the comment section. Did you buy them for your girlfriend? Did you buy them for yourself? Let me know in the comment section. So thanks again for watching. Make sure you subscribe, share the videos. I'm also a transit fanatic. I also travel around the subways, buses, you name it, here in NYC, in New Jersey, the tri-state area. So thanks again for watching. See you guys in the next one. Deuces.